We're going to be having Walters, Seymour, Nugent, Gordon, Austin, Collins, Stewart, and Matt Morris.
But again, Bruce, you notice the times are not as fast as they were before because of the recovery, as I stated earlier. But let's see what's going to happen in the finals. Reed is looking the best to me so far, and Smythe.
Yeah, beating Finnegan head-to-head with his 10-1-9. Again, what the magic that takes place in the next 2.5 hours with the coaches, the physios, the massage therapists, the hydration.
Now, when you have 3 semifinals, you hope to get the first one so you get more time to recover. You can get them off the track as quickly as possible.
Well, we're going to start with a name and school that we have not said many times at Champs, but we're really thrilled to be able to introduce to you.
In lane 1 from Innswood High, Kevon Walters.
Innswood High has a 10:53 athlete. Spectacular.
Lane 2 from William Knibb, the ever-exciting SANJAY Seymour.
All the way down in lane 2, but he's the Western Champs champ. He says, I'm making it to the final.
200 meters endurance.
Though only 10:47 in the heats, but he is a 10-2 runner.
Lane 3, the bronze medalist from last year, Malik Nugent, representing Excelsior.
Malik said, my training partner does run 10-1-9. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm getting into the final. That's Malik Nugent's position from Excelsior.
In lane 4 from Calabar, we have got Kamani Gordon.
Another star in the early years. He's still there and thereabout. 10:34 to get to the semi-final. Calabar's Kamani Gordon says Calabar needs the points. I'm going to get into that final as well.
In lane 5, the fastest among these qualifiers, Kenrick Austin from Edwin Allen.
Did you say Edwin Allen? Yes, we did. Yesterday, the fastest qualifier from Edwin Allen was Finnegan, and his teammate, Kenrick Austin, did 10:27.
In lane number 6, the silver medalist in Class 2 last year, Jaden Collins from Homewood.
One of the shorter athletes in the field, but one of the best starters. And he can hold on. Will he hold on? That's what we're about to find out. Jaden Collins, 10:33 yesterday.
In lane 7, a former Class 3 champion from Herbert Morrison out of Montego Bay, Tavane Stewart.
Battles with injuries. May not be at his best yet, Spencer, but his 10:47 got him here. He knows what to do to get to a final.
And rounding out the lineup in lane number 8 from Campion College, we have got Nasir Matt Morris.
Nasir, more famous as a long jumper. He's made a 200-meter final here at Champs in Class 2. Now in Class 1 with the big boys, Campion College's top sprinter. So, does SANJAY Seymour of William Knibb in lane 2 make it to the final? He did 10-2 twice at Western Champs in one day to become the Western champion, but he's all the way down in lane 2.
So Seymour Nugent.
You have Gordon of Calabar in 4. You have Austin of Edwin Allen in 5. Jaden Collins of Homewood Tech in 6.
Or Nugent Seymour, it doesn't matter.
So you're okay. So you're saying 2 and 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Last semi-final for the Class 1 boys. In this, the Bill Ribbon event, in the set position.
Nope.
At the start.
Somebody pick.
So it looked to me like Jaden Collins. I said before the race started that he has one of the best starts. I think that was too good, though. Too good. And, you know, he knows what he's up against. First, he needs to run faster than 10:4.
He has to run faster than 10.
The bubble time is 10:4.
Is it 10:41 or
10:40 is the bubble time. So Jaden Collins on lane 6 appears to move first.
No, it's clear. Let's see. Let's see if we have a miracle.
Some problems on the horizon for Jaden Collins of Homewood Technical.
We've seen stranger things.
Yeah. So we're hoping for a miracle right now.
Well, I'm hoping he's standing in lane 6. He's currently standing in lane 5. Okay, there you go.
The Class 2 silver medalist from last year has been disqualified.
Yeah. No debate there, Maurice Wilson.
No debate there. You have to follow the rules.
Tough luck for Jaden Collins of Homewood Technical.
You know, so that's 1 of 5, I'm going to say, Spencer, 1 of 5 removed who I really feel had a shot. So we still have 4 of these 7 athletes who I think have a really strong...
Seymour, Nugent, Gordon,
and Austin. Yep. Those 4, I think, really have a true shot at getting to the final, which will be run before 9 o'clock this evening.
Runners settle again for this, the last semi. Set position this time. Out and about now. Fabulous start by SANJAY Seymour of William Knibb from Excelsior. Edwin Allen, Kenrick, Austin comes calling. Seymour, Austin, and Nugent. 10:22 the flash time. SANJAY Seymour of William Knibb Memorial.
So Seymour, it seems as if Seymour, Nugent,
I don't know. Nugent may have been.
Austin.
No, so Austin got the win.
Austin.
There, that's Edwin Allen's Austin repeating his 10-9. Seymour is in the final at 10:28.
And Nugent 10:32.
So Nugent at 10:32 is in, positive 1.8 or 1.6. So it's slightly stronger win. Let's see what the fourth. So Nugent is in. So 2 from Excelsior will be in, 2 from